Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing my clean girl makeup look. I'm going to be using DIOR AIRFLASH. The last video I did with this foundation actually did really well, and I get a lot of questions about my opinion on this, so I'm going to be using this one today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and let's just jump straight in. So I'm going to start off with my brows, and I'll have all the products listed down below, but I'm using the House Laboratories brow pencil in the color brown black. And I usually start with my brows first. I just like to get them out of the way because I feel like they take the longest. I usually start in the middle of my brow after I fluff them out with the spoolie, and I just go back and forth between the pencil and the spoolie so that they're not too dark, but they just look fluffy and full and thick. My eyebrows have grown so much from using that product that I showed you guys in my eyebrow growth video. If you haven't seen that, then I will have that linked below because it really does work. Anyway, how have you guys been? I've been doing all right. Life has been kind of chaotic and crazy lately, but getting through it the best I can. Okay, next I'm going to set my brows. This is a must for me because the look is going to be so natural. I just want to enhance these brows and make them nice and thick and fluffy. So I just like to brush them up. And then once I get to the end of the brow, I'm just going to brush them out towards, I guess, like my temple at a slight angle up, but not all the way up. Now I'm going to move on to my face. And I'm going to be using the DIOR AIRFLASH. I'm in the color 501 or 5W. So with this foundation, you just give it a shake for about 5 to 10 seconds. You can spray it on the face, but I feel like that's really messy, so I just spray it on a buffing foundation brush like this. I would use one that has a wide face just so you have a better chance of actually getting the foundation onto the brush. I spray it about a couple inches from the brush, and I just do a little bit at a time. A little goes a long way. And I love the finish on this. I haven't used this foundation in a minute. I just haven't, I don't know, low-key I kind of forgot about it because I've just been on a tinted moisturizer just vibe lately. So I've just been using my Laura Mercier tinted moisturizer or my Glossier skin tint. But I love this because I almost forgot how lightweight this is, but this definitely gives you more coverage than a tinted moisturizer, and the finish is just flawless and effortless. So I'm vibing with this for sure. Last time I did not brush this into my forehead, and I feel like people were coming for me in the last video. So I'm gonna make sure I really buff this in. And then for the small areas that I need to get like kind of in my edges, I'm just gonna go in with a small concealer brush just to make sure that the color is even. And then just to get around the brows. And then I'm gonna get just a small, tiny bit more and spray it onto the concealer brush. And then that I'm just gonna put under my eyes so I don't have to use any concealer. This is so lightweight, it's really not gonna crease under my eyes. I think it's perfect to use for a really natural look. Okay, I'm going to lightly set just under my eyes. I'm not even gonna set my face just because I want it to have this glowy look. And my skin is dry, so to be honest, I don't really have to set my face like that because my skin's dry. Now I'm gonna move on to lashes. So I'm gonna use the Dior Show Maximizer 3D Lash Primer. And I really love this because it moisturizes your lashes, and I feel like my lashes don't fall out as much as they used to. They're a lot stronger and thicker. All right, now I have a sample of the Sumptuous Extreme mascara from Estee Lauder, and so far I really like it. Yeah, I've been feeling this mascara because it gives you the perfect amount of length and volume without it looking too natural. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with some blush. I think I'm gonna mix two of them, but I'm gonna start off with Puff. And I'm just gonna get like a dab of each, or just a dab on 2 fingers. And I'm just gonna put it on both sides. Okay, so that's Puff, which is just a really light pink. And I think I'm gonna add just a little bit of Dawn. Add that a little bit lower. I'm gonna add just a little bit of bronzer. Not gonna go too crazy. I have this one. This bronzer is from Dior. It's the Dior Skin Mineral Nude Bronze in the color 06. Gives me just the right amount. What I'm gonna do next is I really like to highlight around my eyes and under my brow. So I'm gonna get some highlighter. I'm just gonna use this highlighter from Dior. It's the Dior Backstage Glow Face Palette. And I'm gonna mix, it comes with these 4. I guess I'll show you guys this one because it comes with a bunch of colors. I usually mix the white and the bronze just to get a more neutral glow. So I'm gonna mix those 2. Brow highlight and inner corner highlight from my eyes is my thing. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the inner corners of my eyes. Except here, I like to just slightly bring it in onto the eyelid just a little bit because I feel like it opens up my eye more. And then I do the same thing with the lower lid. I go along the lash line and just add a little bit of that highlight, about 1/4 into the eye. And you can see the difference between this eye and this eye. It just looks more awake, more open. And lastly, for my lips, I'm gonna add a little bit of lip liner and gloss. So I'm just gonna go in with my NYX lip crayon. It's very small. I've been using this up. Okay, so my lips are lined. And right now I have on the lip oil from House Labs or House Laboratories. For my gloss, I'm kind of stuck between the Fenty Hot Chocolate. I'm stuck between this and the Dior gloss in the color 785 Diorama. So a pink and then a hot chocolate, but I think I'm kind of leaning towards the hot chocolate. So it's just a really pretty brown and it has these pink sparkles, but they're very subtle. Yeah, that's pretty. Okay, and I'm all done. So this is my natural clean girl makeup look. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any questions, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.